Joy wa Macharia niatigite mafans ake makenete muno na onu thutha wake gukorwo akirekereria mbica ya mwanya muno, mbica yake na mwendwa wake na arekereirie mbica ĩno umuthi arĩ ta njĩra ya gũkũngũĩra gũciarwo kwa mwendwa wake. It's her bae's birthday today and she took to all her social media platforms to celebrate mwendwa wake na njĩra ya mwanya. Nambĩrĩirie na kũrekereria ndũmĩrĩri ĩno, a wonderful love message to her hubby on his birthday, akiuga, "Dear hubby, it is your birthday today. I wanted to wish you the very best, but you already have me. No need. Just stay blessed and be happy. Happy birthday to you, my other half." Acoka arekereria mbica ĩno ya birthday cake, a cake for her husband, ĩrĩa kwandĩkĩtwo happy birthday Baba Belina. Nĩyo ĩno haha, as you can see there down imeandikwo happy birthday Baba Belina. Na to ũguo tu, nĩacokire ningĩ aingĩra mwena wa Instagram na kurekereria mbica ĩno yake na mwendwa wake. Here he is, akiuga happy birthday honey. Na nĩ ũndũ ũkenetie mafans ake mũno kwĩna mwendwa wake matimamwona. It's actually the first time she has shared a full photo of her and her bae. Na mafans ake makenetio nĩ ũndũ ũyũ mũno. They took to the comment section ona go celebrate birthday ya mwendwa wa Joy wa Macharia, makiuga. Julie Karũngarũ akiuga happy birthday, Masekihara akauga happy birthday, Wanjiru wa Cindano akauga I like that statement, happy birthday to him. Ona nginya Karangũ Mũraya akiuga happy birthday. Onake Banis Njeri akauga since you are my mom, ikifika kwa music I wish papa a happy womb escape day, mathuiti maingĩ. Onake Angie Milka happiest birthday to him. Ona Abel akauga happiest birthday to your baby's daddy. Nancy Mushoki happy birthday to your love, may he live long to celebrate many more. Onake Masimwesh happiest birthday to him. Ona Triza Nguge auga happiest birthday to him, more blessings. Ona ingĩ nĩmakorirwo magĩsuggest atĩ Joy wa Macharia akoragwo akĩrekereria mbica ta ici kwa wĩingĩ. They are yearning to see her man, koguo nĩ marenda akorwo akĩrekereria mbica ta ici more often. Na ona ithuĩ tukendithĩria mwendwa wa Joy wa Macharia a happy birthday today. Na ndũkariganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and best Kikuyu celebrity news.